In today's fast changing business environment, companies succeed not just through great products, but through great strategy. And when we talk about strategic success in the fast food industry, two iconic names instantly comes to mind: Domino's and Pizza Hut. These brands have transformed the way the world consumes pizza, from quick deliveries to premium dining experiences. But how do they survive and thrive in such a competitive industry? To understand that, we turn to Porter's Five Forces model, a powerful framework that analyzes the key forces shaping industry competition and profitability. These five forces are the threat of new entrants, bargaining power of suppliers, bargaining power of buyers, threat of substitutes, and industry rivalry. By applying this model, we can see how Domino's and Pizza Hut continuously reinvent their strategies to stay ahead in the global market.
First force of threat of new entrants that easy with which new competitor can enter the market. At first glance, a pizza business might seem easy to enter. After all, the local restaurant and food trucks can start small. Like when it comes to competing with establishing giant like Domino's and Pizza Hut, it's completely different game. Both brand energy, massive brand loyalty, and strong franchise network and powerful technology driven delivery system. Domino's, for instance, built its success on digital innovation and app based ordering, while Pizza Hut relies on decades of reputation and global recognition. Moreover, setting up a constant reply supply chain, maintaining food standard, and managing nationwide delivery logistics require high capital investment and operational expertise. While pizzas can emerge, breaking into the same competitor space on Domino's and Pizza Hut remained extremely difficult. Hence, the threat of new entrants is moderate to low in this industry.
The second force is the bargaining power of suppliers. In the food industry, suppliers provide key raw materials like cheese, flour, sauces, and packaging. But Domino's and Pizza Hut, due to their global presence and high purchase volumes, enjoy a strong advantage here. They have long term partnerships with reliable suppliers, enabling them to ensure quality, consistency, and negotiate favorable prices. For instance, Domino's works with global sourcing hubs that support cost efficiency and quality control across thousands of outlets. This scale gives them control over input cost and supply reliability, unlike smaller competitors who depend on local vendors. Therefore, the bargaining power of suppliers in this industry is low, giving both Domino's and Pizza Hut a strong operational edge and stability in their pricings.
The third force is bargaining power of buyers. Customers today are more empowered than ever before. With the rise of food delivery apps, online review, and discount offers, customer can easily compare prices and switch brand with a single tap. This give a customer high bargaining power to manage both Domino's and Pizza Hut have adopted decent strategies. Domino's focus on speed and affordability, delivering fresh pizza within 30 minutes through this efficient delivery system. On the other hand, a Pizza Hut empathizes dining and experiences premium quality and variety, catering to family segment and dining customer. Additionally, both brands offer loyalty program, mobile app discount, and combo deal to retain a regular customer and reduce the price sensitivity. In short, buyer hold a strong influences, pushing both brand to innovate and constantly enhance value for money.
The fourth force is the threat of substitutes. In today's diverse food industry, customers can easily choose alternatives: burgers, wraps, biryanis, or even home cooked meals. This means the substitute threat is high. To counter this, both Domino's and Pizza Hut have diversified their menus. Domino's introduced options like cheese burst pizzas, tacos, and thin crust variants, while Pizza Hut expanded into pastas, desserts, and loaded meal combos. Now, the fifth and final force: industry rivalry. This is the most visible and powerful factor in this market. Domino's and Pizza Hut have been arch rivals for decades, competing across pricing, delivery speed, menu innovation, and marketing. Domino's dominates the delivery focused segment known for reliability and value for money, while Pizza Hut remains strong in the dine in and premium segment known for ambience and taste. Their ongoing rivalry drives creativity, innovation, and customer satisfaction, and constantly setting higher standards for the entire food service industry.
To report up 5 hours, we can see how Domino's and Pizza Hut through in the environment full of challenges, it continued to lead through the strategy. They turned competitive pressure into motivation, customer feedback into innovation, and market challenges into opportunity for growth. While Domino's excel in efficiency and affordability, Pizza Hut stand out in experiences and diversity. The rivalry is not just about pizza, it's about who understand the customer better and adapt faster. Ultimately, the Fire Force model teach us that strategic awareness is the key ingredient to success. Because in business, just like pizza, the perfect mix of element create the most satisfying outcomes. Thank you.